A long time ago, Portugal used paper money. But Portugal did not start with very small notes. Portugal started with 20 escudos. This note was used every day. Food, travel, small shopping. As life became more expensive, Portugal needed bigger money. So Portugal printed 50 escudos. People could now buy more, with fewer notes. Later, businesses grew. Shops became bigger. Trade became faster. So Portugal introduced 100 escudos. This note was used for important purchases. But prices kept rising. Portugal needed even higher value. So Portugal created 500 escudos. This was serious money, used for large payments and savings. Finally, Portugal introduced the 1,000 escudos note. This was the biggest one. Not for daily use. For big deals. Big value. Portugal's banknotes grew like this. From simple money to powerful money. This is how Portugal's banknotes grew over time. Step by step. This is World Cash Globe showing Europe Africa dollar banknote.